Good morning to children. In last class, we discussed about fractions to be continued. Exercise 1. Exercise 1. First problem. Solve the following two plus 3 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4. Solution 2 by 1. 2 written as 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. Take LCM 1 and 4. 1 comma 4. LCM is 1 into 4. 1 into 4, that is equal to 4. LCM of 1 and 4 is equal to 1 into 4, that is equal to 4. Now LCM is 4. One table 4. How many times? 4 times. So cross multiplication 2 into 4. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 2 fours 8 plus 3 ones are 3 divided by 4. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11 by 4. 11 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 written as 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. LCM of 1 and 4. So 1 is multiplicative identity. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 4 is the LCM. Now take LCM 4. Cross multiplication 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 3 1s are 3. 8 plus 3 by 4. 8 plus 3 means we add 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4. Therefore, 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 4. 2 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 4. Another sum. Second problem. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Solve the following. Second sum 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. First take LCM 9 and 3. 9 and 3. 3 table divisible. 3 3s are 9. 1 3s are 3. 3 table 1 time 1. Now 3 into 1 into 1, that is equal to 3 these are 9. 9 into 1 9. 9 into 1 9. Therefore LCM of 9 and 3. LCM of 9 and 3 is equal to 9. 9 is the LCM. 9 table 9 1 time. So 7 into 1 plus 3 table 9 3 times. So 1 into 3. 1 into 3, that is equal to 7 into 1. 7 ones are 7 plus 1 into 3. 3 by 9. 7 plus 3. We add 7 plus 3. That is equal to 7 plus 3 value 10. 10 by 9. Therefore 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 10 by 9. Okay. Next, another problem. 5 by 8 minus, fifth problem. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. We subtract 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Take LCM. First take LCM 8 and 6. 8 and 6. First it is equal 2 4 times 3 times. Okay. Next 2 table 2 times 3 not possible. Another 2 table 1 time 3 not possible. So 3 table 1 not possible, 3 1 time. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1, that is equal to multiplication 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Okay. 24 is the LCM. 8 in 24 how many times? 3 times. So numerator is multiplied by 3. Numerator is multiplied by 3. 18 24 cancel 3 times. 3 8 are 24. So we multiplied 5 3. 5 into 3 minus 6 table 24 how many times? 4 times. How many times? 4 times. 1 into 4. 1 into 4. That is equal to 5 3s are 15 minus 1 4s are 4 divided by 24. 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4, that is equal to 5 minus 4 1. Remaining 1, 11 by 24. Therefore 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 11 by 24. Therefore 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 11 by 24. Okay. First take LCM 8 and 6. 8 table 2 table 4 times, 3 times, 2 table 2 2s are 4, 3 not possible, 2 table 1 time, 3 not possible. So 3 1 not possible, 3 1 time. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 1 24, 24 into 1 24. So LCM is 24. 8 table how many times in 24? 3 times. So numerator is multiplied by 3. 5 into 3 minus 6 table how many times? 24, 4 times. Numerator 1 into 4, 5 3s are 15, 1 4s are 4, 5 3s are 15 minus 4, that is equal to 11, 11 by 24. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 11 by 24. Another problem. Sixth problem. 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. We add two mixed fractions. 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. First it converted into improper fraction. Mixed fraction we converted into improper fractions. 2 into 3. 2 into 3. We multiply 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 by 3. 2 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3. 2 into 3 2 into 3 plus 2 divided by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 by 3. 6 plus 2 8 by 3. 8 by 3. 8 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. We convert into improper fraction. 3 1 by 2, that is equal to 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 7 by 2. 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. We add 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Take LCM of 3 and 2. LCM of 3 and 2. Here 3 is odd number, 2 is even number. One odd number, another one even number. We product of 3 and 2 is 6. 6 is the LCM. 3 and 2 is equal to 3 into 2. That is equal to 6. 6 is the LCM. Now LCM is 6. 3 table 6. 2 times. 2 3s are 6. So numerator is multiplied by 2. 8 into 2 plus 7 by 2. 2 table in 6. 3 times. 7 into 3. 7 into 3. That is equal to 8 2s are 16 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 6. 16 plus 21. 6 plus 1 7. 2 plus 1 3. 37 by 6. 37 by 6. 37 by 6 is the improper fraction. So improper fraction is converted into mixed fraction. Now divisible 6. 6 6 are 36. Division method. 7 minus 6 1. Therefore 6 1 by 6. 6 1 by 6. 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2 is equal to 6 1 by 6. Therefore 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2 is equal to 6 1 by 6. Okay. Second problem. Arrange the following ascending order. Arrange the following in ascending order. The given fractions 5 by 8, 5 by 6 and 1 by 2. 5 by 8, 5 by 6 and 1 by 2, write ascending order. Here denominators are different. So write the equal denominators. So 8, 6 and 2. First take LCM. 8, 6, 2. Now 2 table how many times? 4 times. 3 times 1 time. Another 4 1 time. 3 not possible, 1 not possible, 3 1 not possible, 3 1 time not possible. So 2 into 4 into 3 into 1 into 1. We multiply 2 into 4 into 3 into 1 into 1. 2 4s 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 24 into 1 24. Again 24 into 1 24. So 5 by 8. Here numerator and denominator is multiplied by 8 table in 24 how many times? Therefore LCM of 8, 6 and 2 is equal to 24. Next 5 by 8. 8 is the denominator, 5 is the numerator. 8 is divisible in 24 3 times. 3 times. So numerator and denominator multiplied by 3. 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 8 3s are 24. Next 5 by 6. 6 table in 24 4 times. 4 6 are 24. So numerator and denominator is multiplied by 4 by 4. 4 by 4. 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. Again 1 by 2. 2 table in 24 12 times. 12 by 12. That is equal to 1 12s are 12. Divided by 2 12s are 24. We observe that equal denominators 24, 24, 24. 15 by 24, 20 by 24, 12 by 24. Ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Here smallest value 12. Ascending means small to big. Ascending order. Small to big. 12 by 24. 12 by 24 means 1 by 2. First 12 by 24. 12 by 24. Comma. Another one 15 by 24. Comma. 20 by 24. 12 by 24 means 12 by 24 means continuation. 12 by 24 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 comma 15 by 24 means 5 by 8. 5 by 8 comma 20 by 24 means 5 by 6 is the answer. 1 by 2, 5 by 8, 5 by 6. Okay. Second problem. 2 by 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 3 by 10. Second problem 2 by 3 comma 1 by 3 comma 3 by 10. Sorry, 2 by 5, 2 by 5 comma 1 by 3 comma 3 by 10. Write the ascending order. Here 5, 3, 10 are the 5, 3, 10 are the denominators are different. Denominators are different. First written as equal denominators. Written as equal denominators. That's why 5, 3, 10. First we take LCM. LCM of 5, 3, 10 is equal to 5 table 1 time 3 not possible 10 2 5s are 10 again 3 not possible 3 1 time 2 not possible again 2 1 1 not possible 2 1 time. So 5 into 3 into 2 5 3s are 15 15 2s 30 30 is the LCM. LCM of 5, 3, 10 is equal to 30. 30 is the LCM. So 2 by 5 written as equal denominators. 5 table in 30 6 times. 6 5s are 30. So numerator and denominator is multiplied by 6. 6 by 6 that is equal to 2 6 jar 12 5 6 jar 30 5 6 jar 30. First 1 by 3 into 3 table in 30 how many times 10 times. So 10 by 10 that is equal 1 10 jar 10 3 10 jar 30 1 10 jar 10 3 10 jar 30. Next 3 by 10 10 table in 30 3 times. So 3 by 3 that is equal to 3 3s are 9 10 3s are 30. Write ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Here smallest value 9. Smallest value 9 first one. Smallest value 10 second value. smallest value 12, another smallest value 12. So 9 by 30, 10 by 30, 12 by 30. 9 by 30 means 3 by 10, 10 by 30 means 1 by 3, 12 by 30 means 2 by 5. Therefore, ascending order is 9 by 30 means 3 by 10, 3 by 10, comma 1 by 3, 3 by 10, 10 by 30 means 1 by 3, comma 12 by 30 means 2 by 5. Understood? 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. First take LCM 5, 3, 10. 5, 3, 10. 5 table 1 time, 3 not possible. 10 2 times in 5 table. Another 3 table 1 not possible. 3 1 time, 2 not possible. Again 2 table 1 not possible, 1 not possible. 2 table 2 1 time. So multiplied 5 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. 5 3s are 15. 15 2s are 30. So 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 3 by 10. Here denominators are different. So equal, written as equal denominators. So 5 in 30, 6 times. So 2 by 5 into 6 by 6. 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30. 1 by 3. Next one 1 by 3. 3 in 30, 10 times 10 by 10. 1 10 are 10, 3 10 are 30. 3 by 10, 10 in 30, 3 times 3 is are 9, 10 3 is are 30. So ascending order means small to big. Here smallest value 9 by 30, 9 by 30 means 3 by 10, 10 by 30 means 1 by 3, 12 by 30 means 2 by 5, 1 by 9 by 30 means 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 is smallest value, another smallest value 1 by 3, again another value 2 by 5. So 3 by 10 comma 1 by 3 comma 2 by 5. This is the ascending order. Second problem completed. Another one, third problem. Check the following square. Check the following square whether in the square, third problem, check the following square whether in the square the sum of the numbers in each row and each column and along the diagonals is the same. This is a square, 3 equal parts, 6 by 13, 13 by 13, 2 by 13, 11 by 13, 8 by 13, 1 by 13, 7 by 13, 3 by 13, 12 by 13. Check the following square. Here this is a square with 3 equal parts, 6 by 13, 3 by 13, these are the fractions. Whether in each the same square, the sum of the numbers each row, this is a row, this is arrow mark means a row, this is the row columns, this is the columns, this is row, this is column. R means row, C means column. Here C1, C2 second column, C3. Here row 1, second row R2, R3 means third row. Another one, here D1, D1 means diagonal 1. This is diagonal 2, diagonal 1, diagonal 2, diagonal 1 or diagonal 2. First we add R1 columns 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 2 by 13. Here denominators are same, so we add numerators. 6 plus 13 19, 19 plus 2 21, 21 by 13, 21 by 13. Next we add R2 column 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 11 by 13, 3 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 11 by 13. Here denominators are same, so we add numerators. 3 plus 7 10, 10 plus 11 21 by 13. Next R3 column, R3 means third row, 12 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 8 by 13. Here denominators are same, we add numerators. So 12 plus 1 plus 8, 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 by 13. R1, R2, R3 are the same. Again C1, C1 is equal to 6 by 13 plus 3 by 13 plus 12 by 13. 6 by 13 plus 3 by 13 plus 12 by 13. Here denominators are same, so we add numerators. 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 12, 9 plus 12, 9 plus 12, 9 plus 2 11, so 21, 21 by 13, 21 by 13. C1 first column, C2 means second column, C2 means second column. 13 by 3 plus 7 by 13, 13 by 13, yes, 13 by 13, 13 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 1 by 13. Here denominators are same, we add numerators. 13 plus 7 20, 20 plus 1 21 by 13. C3 column 3, 2 by 13 plus 11 by 13 plus 8 by 13. Denominators are same, so 2 plus 11 19, 2 plus 11 13, 13 plus 8 21 by 13. Denominator same, so we add numerators is value 21 by 13. Next diagonal 1, D1, D1 means diagonal 1. 6 by 13, 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13, 6 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 8 by 13, that is equal to 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 8 21 by 13. Again D2, D2 means diagonal 2, this is the diagonal 2. We add 2 by 13 plus 7 by 13 plus 12 by 13, that is equal, denominators are same, so we add numerators. 2 plus 7 9, 9 plus 2 9 plus 12 21 by 13. Here we observe that R1, R2, R3 are the same values. Again columns C1, C2, C3 are the same values. Again D1, D2 are the same values. Okay. We observe that rows and rows comma columns and diagonals are same. That is 21 by 13. 21 by 13. Okay, thank you children. To be continued another class.